Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Gardens. I'm Mary, and a special welcome to all of you who might be new to my channel. Today we're going to do part 2 of the March Room of the Month that is being hosted by the wonderful Heidi Sanvol. Hi Heidi. And there are 7 of us all together who are participating in this hop. We did 2 weeks ago, we did our first part of our room makeovers, and today we are doing the final reveals and the final touches on our rooms. So if you saw part 1 of my project, we were working, my daughter and I, on the hearth room in her house and transforming it from Tuscan to a cheerful farmhouse design. And so today, like I said, we're going to be doing those final touches, and I'm going to show you the final reveal. And stay tuned, because I thought I would finally introduce my daughter Hannah to you, because she's been in a few of my videos before, but I've never really had her on camera to talk. So you can get a little introduction to her. We do work on projects together often, and so we have a little bit of a team going on here between us. So anyway, don't forget that also down below my video here, in the description box, there will be a link to the next creator in our hop. So all you do is go down there, click on that link, and it will take you to the next woman who is participating in this wonderful March Room of the Month hop. And then that will take you, sort of cycle you through all of our team members. So let's get over to my daughter's house now. My daughter bought these white curtains through Amazon, and they are actually blackout curtains, which are necessary here in Colorado with our really bright sunlight. And since she has her television in this hearth room for her family, it's almost impossible to see the television screen with the glare that comes from this window. Well, the curtains turned out really nicely, don't you think? So much better than when we first hung them up, and they were super wrinkled. But they look really nice here behind the couch. Now let's put those final touches on the room to really give it that farmhouse style. Here we're putting back the toy bins, decorating the mantel, a little bit for the hearth, and finally some cozy touches for the couch. I thought I would start over here at this small table that I redid for my daughter. You may have seen the video where I did the stenciling on top. And this is an old Longaberger basket that we spray painted white, and then we have a little floral arrangement there. Coming around here, you can see the curtains and how nicely they look on this wall. And we have a little wrought iron candle there. Coming down to the couch, and you know, I have to tell all of you, especially young mothers, this couch is made of a material that is called microfiber. And it is just fantastic when you have small children, because it is so easy to wipe off any spills, any messes, whether they're dog messes or children messes, spilled milk and so on. It is fantastic. And so you can dress it up with pillows like we did here, and this cute little throw that one of my grandsons got for Christmas. It has little rocket ships on it. And then over here, we have the lamp that I redid in another video. And this little side table that we bought, we moved it over here. on the mantle area, we got this kind of a faux window, I guess you could say, from Hobby Lobby, and it of course was 50% off, and we have some photos of Hannah's boys there. And down here on the hearth, we just have a plate with a buffalo check and then some florals. And then on this large bookcase, we have more florals. And as we come down, up at the top we have some more adult looking things, and then we get down as we go lower to all these bins that Hannah got. I think she ordered them on Amazon. This white one over here is from the Target dollar spot, and the brown one she's had for a long time. But these bins go really well with her decor, and they were not expensive and really worth the money for storing all of those toys for your children. They worked out really well. Just swinging over here in the corner, she got this really large bin, and I think this also was from Amazon, and it has so many dinosaurs in it you just can't imagine. Her boys are dinosaur lovers. Now, here's her TV stand with another bin, as you saw me place it over here in the corner with more toys. And there I am, my reflection in the television. So her room, if I stand back here, looks fairly empty. You can see the floor is all empty except for Jacob sitting there. And it looks very homey and welcoming, but you know, you just have to be practical when you have little children, and this is their play area where they can just get all their toys out and use their imaginations and play on the floor. So even though, you know, we wanted to look nice, we also have to be realistic and practical when it comes to having small children in your home. And I'm sure even if you're a grandma now, you live through those years like my daughter is right now. So there you are. Very nice. Hi friends, this is Mary back again, and I have my daughter here. Her name is Hannah, and I wanted to introduce you to her since she has been in some of my videos, like I said earlier. And her dogs are right here trying to get in the picture as well. Maybe I'll show you them in a minute or two. But in any case, here's Hannah. Take it, Hannah.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a high school English teacher, proud owner of 2 boys, and obviously I have learned all my decorating tips from my wonderful mother.
And you may have noticed, if you've been watching my channel for a while, that Hannah has appeared in some of my earlier videos. And she has gone with me on vintage shopping trips. And
The Vintage Christmas Market, which was a great one. Gotta find the sled.
yes, and behind us here is this wonderful white hutch that she completely did over, gave it a complete makeover with chalk paint, and she found it on Facebook Marketplace, and it's really stunning. I'll put a link to that video down below for you as well if you'd like to see how she did that. Here's a peek at Hannah's oldest dog, Jacob, who is 10 years old, and he's definitely becoming an old man these days. And then lying over on this side of the room is Ranger, her rescue dog, who's just a little over 1 year old. And the family really enjoys having their dogs. Right, Jacob? Right? All right, everybody, so we are going to wrap up this video, and be sure to look down in the description box below for the link to the next creator that will be in our hop. And remember, there will be 7 videos altogether for all the wonderful ladies participating. And what else, Hannah? What else am I? Oh, I need to tell you that Heidi Sanbol, our wonderful hostess, is breaking up her channel. She's had one channel called Happily Thriving Heidi, and she's breaking that up actually into 4 channels, and they are going to be called Heidi Sanbol DIY, Heidi Sanbol Home, Heidi Sanbol Paper Crafting, in case you didn't know that Heidi did paper crafting, and the last one is Heidi Sanbol, did I say it was, Hannah? It's Latter-day Disciple, talking about the Savior. And Hannah, do you want to say goodbye to our friends?
Bye!
And we'll see you in the next video. Won't be long at all. Take care now.